Good morning. Happy Saturday morning all, especially to my followers, friends, relatives, and to all people around the world. Good morning. Hope okay ang inyong adlaw. Bisaya ako, kaya Bisaya sa ako. So, hope you're doing well today. It's Saturday morning. It's September 7, 2024. It's another day to thankful for another life that God given to us. Hello, good morning. Walking early in the morning. I'm Ron Fritcher here. Good morning, good morning. Magandang umaga po sa lahat. Ngayong adlaw sa tanang bisdak diha. Magandang umaga po. So, bigyan natin ng oras ng ating sarili na magnilay-nilay, go with the nature, go with someone else na you trust, you share with your silent battle, and especially more in prayer to God, have time to God, because God is always there for us. Tayo lang naman yung lumalayo kasi we're getting attached sa ating makamundong mga suliranin. So, never po tayo maging get attached sa mundong ito, lalo na sa social media. Give time to your family, give time to yourself, your inner self, your inner peace. Kasi yun yung mahalaga sa buong buhay natin. Huwag tayong magpakasasa sa mga mundong bagay-bagay, mga suliranin. Siguro meron naman yan kasi meron tayong mga alalahanin, lalo na sa mga babayarin, mga personal na problema, 'di ba? So ang mahalaga po ay meron tayong panahon sa sarili natin, at mahalaga panahon sa ating may kapal. Give time to prayer and give time to God. Okay, yun lang naman ang mahalaga. Good morning sa tanan. It's a good weather today. It's Saturday morning here in the Philippines, specifically in Butuan City. I'm from Butuan City. My mom is from naglaki siya sa Basilan. Papa ko Dumaguete, Negros Oriental, Visaya po. So, bisdak po ako, bisdak. Hello followers, viewers, non-followers. Good morning.